Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video, and today we're going to be going over day 6 of how to earn unlimited $25, $50, and $100 payments while building an email list. And this is a part of a free masterclass where I show you how to use paid traffic and free traffic to start generating ongoing sales commissions, and not only that, growing your email list, which you can actually use for any business. So whether you have a business or not, you can actually tap into List Infinity and start earning daily. But not only that, the traffic strategies that they teach you are evergreen and can be used to promote any business with List Infinity, or you can just promote List Infinity as a standalone product. Okay. So this is a part of a playlist. These are the 4 days that we've went through so far. If you're here on day 6, please make sure to go back to day 1, where I actually give you an introduction on what to expect. And not only that, what List Infinity is all about. Day 5 will actually be coming out this evening. Today is Sunday, September 18th. And then the training that we're doing now will be, again, for day number 6. Okay. So this is part of a playlist, and it's going to give you information on, again, how to get these unlimited commissions, how to build a online business from the comfort of your home, how to do that consistently. So yesterday we went over how to use different posts on social media and where to go to get them. And what I did was I put an order into Fiverr for these attraction and marketing posts that's going to allow you to start producing results. And what I did was I gave you guys some examples of what they should look like and what they should say. These examples, again, you don't have to do on your own or come up with on your own. It's in the back office of List Infinity. So the different posts that we put up, which can make anywhere between $100 all the way up to $500 a day, are readily available in your List Infinity tab under trainings. Okay. So if you go into the trainings, you'll see in the training section under the Facebook marketing plan, which is what we're actually going to go over today, is the Facebook marketing plan, and basically how you can use free social media to drive unlimited amount of traffic to your referral link. Okay. So here on the Fiverr, I got back today the order that I had put in yesterday. They delivered it in 1 day, which is typical for the gentleman that I use. Sometimes it can take 2 or 3 days to get back your delivery. And sometimes it may take a little bit longer if you need revisions. So if you don't like what they delivered to you, maybe it's not the right color, the picture is off, maybe the wording is misspelled, or you wanted to say something else, you can always put in revisions for them to redo your post, okay, your banners. So what I'm going to do is go right here to delivery. And this is what they have put together for me. And we're going to just go through this post. And like I said yesterday, we created and came up with the words that we wanted them to use and what we wanted it to look like. So this one here, it just says, I'm grateful to have such great friends in a community where everyone just wants everyone to win. So this is great. I love the way it looks. Right here, you can see it has Fiverr on the picture, but once we accept it as being accurate and we like what we see, we can accept the offer, and then this will go away so that you can download it without the Fiverr logo information on here. Okay. So then we have here the second one that they did, which says, have the courage to walk a new path. There is always hope along the way. Okay. And this is a motivational post, inspirational post. This will be going on my Facebook page. And then we have here a curiosity post, which just says free video. Check out this brand new video that sends instant payments and builds your list. Want the link? Drop yes. And then for those who comment yes, I will send them over my link, and that's going to accumulate people and bring them to my email list. And not only that, it's going to start bringing in commissions. And then I have another curiosity post Need an extra $1,000 per week? It's easy when you have the right system. Comment free video. And then for those who comment free video, I will send them over the information. Okay. So do I accept this delivery? If you are okay with everything that they put together, yes, I approve this delivery. If not, you can hit I'm not ready yet and give them your revisions. I'm going to go ahead and approve it because I like the way it looks. It looks clean, it's professional, and it's exactly what I'm looking for. So now here you can answer these questions if you want. I always skip them, skip. And then now once I skip it, as you can see, because I accepted the order, these are now good enough for me to download. So I can just click here and I can download the pics. So I'm going to just put Facebook post. This is going to be number 22. Facebook post. This is 23. I'm going to make this 24. Okay. And then we're going to do this one as 23 because this is a curiosity post. And you can label them however you want. Okay, it's really up to you. And then I'm going to do this one, Facebook post. And we're going to make this one 27. And the reason why I made this 27 is because curiosity posts, we want to do this only about once a week. So we're going to roll this over into the following week. And I just use that number so that I know I'm not using it the same week that I'm using these posts. We don't want 2 curiosity posts back to back. We want them split up between one week and the other. So now that I have those downloaded, I am all set for the week. And now what I'm going to do is starting on Monday, I can add these posts here to my Facebook page right here. And then we're going to start to see people comment and like them. And it's going to start to build up over time. And then it's going to allow me to build more commissions and also more people on my email list as I continue to post these different inspirational, motivational, and curiosity posts. Some of them can include lifestyle. It's really up to you, but this is what I'm going to be doing. So I am all set for the week. As you can see, it's Sunday and I have everything all lined up for the week. I'm only going to use probably 2 or 3 of those posts for the week. And then whatever I don't use, I'll use it the following week. So thank you so much for watching this video. We are going to have another training on how to start getting these types of numbers on our posts. So 235 likes, 195 comments. This is more than enough traffic to start building an income. And not only that, what we want to do is we want to continue to see those numbers grow. As long as they grow and they stay pretty much in like anywhere from 100 all the way up to 200, maybe even 300 sometimes, that's a plus, okay? We want these numbers to grow on our posts and we want them to remain at a certain level. We don't really want to see it go down. So I'm going to show you guys in our next video, a quick trick that I use to keep these numbers going and to keep them high. And not only that, what to post on what days, okay? Because that's very important when you're putting out posts, what posts should go on your timeline on what particular days and why. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I look forward to seeing you in the next training. Have a great day.